Look, I mean, I'm pretty sure all shareholders, the anticipation is, June.
Yes.
I've mentioned it several times now, Alan, so they're never going to forget.
No way, no, I'm being held to it.
So apart from that what was just said, going forward, obviously drilling's going to happen. Do you see any other news flow that could come?
Look, it's important. I mean, what we try to do is let our investor community, our shareholders and the wider investor community know exactly what we're doing. I know everyone wants the drilling intercepts, so I'll be bringing that in June. If I could do it sooner, I'll do it. Okay. But, we will, inform how our AMT conductors, various relative conductor activity is comparing across the 15 sites that we've nominated. Then we'll soon, deploy in, as they work across that. When we've done about 3 or 4 AMT surveys, we'll then have ground EM begin on probably the highest value target that we feel from our AMT survey should be a first pick for the ground EM. And look, what's been important too as a board and management, completely aligned with shareholders and investors, is that we've been very methodical about what we've done to get the right drilling targets in place. So we have, as I say, stuck to our, the integrity of our method, and we've discovered elevated nickel and copper coincident in the same areas, in clusters across those 15 targets that we've predetermined. Everything that we've predicted is coming to pass, so we're confirming that with infill sampling, and that is also showing, coincident nickel and copper anomalies too. And recently, as we announced, ultramafic outcropping at surface, with an MGO at 24% on a weathered outcropping. That's fantastic. With some great disseminated sulphides, some, again, coincident nickel and copper anomalies within that. So it's about predicting things right. So we're quite confident that when we drill, we're going to drill and find exactly what we should be delivering, some nice intercepts. So hopefully we can excite the market, but as I say, it's being methodical that is paying its dividends, and that gives us more confidence of what we'll bring back when we drill in June.
Yep.
So we're letting the rocks tell us the story. The AMT will give us a good structure and of the ore body. The ground EM will give us a very focused drilling target, and the drilling intercepts will tell the rest of the story. But we'll do it right, and we'll announce every bit of the story on the way to those intercepts. We'll give some early observations of the cores at surface before sending them off to assays. So we'll try and keep the market informed as we do.
Okay, that's so good. Look, it's always a good thing. Get the geo to lick the rocks and tell you what it tastes like. That's the first.
That's right.
But look, jokes aside, look, fantastic update. Look, I think at the end of the day, everyone's waiting for the proof of the pudding in the ways, and it's probably looking good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for the update, and let's keep following the journey.
No, thank you. It's great to be here, and very excited to fill you in more